You ain't got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like a world is closing in. The devil's knocking at my door. Oh, out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? It's been so long, been trying my best to be tearing the skin of my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not close to me? You're falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see?